So for today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting, I'm going to highlight another family game. So this is Game Mashups Monopoly Jenga Edition, and this is exclusive to Target. So the regular price on this is $20.99, but as I'm filming this, it is on sale for 20% off. So I'm sure that there's going to be other times for this to be going on sale, but it is Jenga mixed with the Monopoly game, and I absolutely love a good old game of Monopoly. So today's question of the day is, if you can travel anywhere, where would it be? So if you would like to be entered to win my huge holiday giveaway, then the only requirement is that you are subscribed to my channel and comment on the question of the day. So the more you comment on these videos, then the more chances you have to win. So the winner will be announced on December 23rd. Two popular games joined together. Monopoly meets Jenga. This is a fun game, mashup for kids ages 8 and up, 2 to 4 players. So it's a strategy game. Combine strategy and luck as players remove, steal, and trade hardwood blocks, each worth a certain number of points. When the tower crashes, the player with the most points win. So block balancing game. The wooden blocks in this game are Monopoly properties, railroad, free parking, chance, and community. And watch out for jail. Don't let the tower fall. No game board, dice, or money in this Monopoly Jenga mashup. Collect the most property sets and railroad blocks without making the tower fun. And then it says, did you play the Monopoly game and the Jenga game as a kid? Now you can introduce your kids to both. It's a great indoor activity and fun birthday or holiday gift for kids ages and up. So it looks like it's 15 minutes or more, one or more players. So this just looks super fun. It doesn't look like there are any reviews on this yet, but if you are a fan of like family games, this would again be another great gift to gift like a family. So then you don't have to, gift everyone in that family a gift. You could just do like a family gift, which I absolutely love that idea. So you could, pair like a game with some like popcorn and maybe some like fruity, like chewy snacks or something like that, and do like a family game night box and just gift like a family box as one gift to the family instead of doing individual gifts, which I think is fun. And it also promotes, families spending time together around the table doing family game night, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to have this game linked below if you want to go ahead and just shop my link below. But I think this is a fun game, and I'm a big fan of Monopoly. I've always been a fan of Monopoly, so this guy is definitely on my Christmas list as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.